channel. This is Anu, and today I wanted to share with you all a very important home remedy that I feel that all of us should know, because this is the change of season in India, and this is the onset of autumn, this month of September and October, and the fading away of the monsoon season. And this brings in a lot of sore throat, runny nose, cough and cold, and slight flu, fever. So most of us suffer because of this. Now I have a home remedy, a Ayurvedic concoction that will give you a relief when you are suffering during all these times. Now, keeping in mind that this is the pandemic situation, this is the COVID-19, which is all over the world and it's in high rise in India, I would tell you to be alert and to be aware of it and maintain your social distance, do all the nitty-gritties, and if you feel that yes, you need to consult a general physician or a authorized doctor, please go ahead and do it and do not neglect it. But in case you're sure this is just a runny nose, it's a weather change, and you need to have a home remedy to solve it, to cure yourself, then this will help you. This is a general concoction, a kadha that we call, that is going to give you a lot of relief if you are suffering from sore throat, if you're suffering from a runny nose, if you have a little bit of fever, slight fever, if you have a flu, if you have a cough and cold. So it's important to keep yourself hydrated with warm liquids at this point of time, and nothing like nice desi Ayurvedic kadha herbal drink to keep yourself hydrated and keep yourself comfortable at this point of time. So this is a recipe that I have learned from my mother-in-law, and it has worked for me for all these years, for me, for my entire family. I have even said it to a lot of friends and they have benefited from it. So I thought, why not share it with all of you. This morning my husband was a little under the weather. He was having a runny nose and he was having a sore throat. He was not feeling very well about it. So this kadha I had made for him, and it has always helped him and us and everybody around. So this is what I have for you in this coming video, this kadha. So if you like it, then do give in your likes, do give in your comments, and I would love to read them, as you all know, and definitely subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos coming your way. So right now let's go ahead and see how I make the kadha. So this kadha I would be making with 5 things. This is peepal, this is mulethi, 2 pieces of each. This is haldi or turmeric, grated ginger, and it's a pre-mix herbal tea that I have, the details of which I will write in the description box. It contains a lot of things like saunf, long, dalchini, soya, jeera, kali mirch, choti ilaichi, arjun, ashwagandha, etc. Now all these things I will take a glass of water and put it to boil. I am going to add all these ingredients to it, and I am going to put it on full flame till it boils. The intention is to make this quantity into half, so make sure that your flame is in full. Now as you can see that this quantity has become half, it has boiled for about 15 minutes. I am now going to strain it out. So you can take a cup and strain out this liquid. And this is very good because it contains mulethi, which is a natural expectorant. It relieves sore throat. It contains peepal, which is anti-inflammatory, relieves throat infection. It contains turmeric, which is antibacterial and antiviral. And you can add a little bit of honey to it. I am not adding it, but you can also add a little bit of honey to it. It's going to relieve your sore throat. So this is the concoction or the kadha that we all make during these times. So friends, let me know how you like the video. If you have enjoyed this video of mine, then do give in your likes and do give in your comments. Let me know what you feel about this. If you have to ask me any questions, please do write to me. I would love to answer them. I would love to read your comments. It makes me feel connected to all of you. And subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos coming your way about daily life, fashion, review, products, everything. So till then, stay safe. Take care and I love you all.